Spend the Friday morning during football season in the VHS gym, and you're likely to spend the rest of the day with ringing ears. Everyone is dressed in the theme of the week and ready to compete for the Spirit Stick, sing the alma mater, and cheer for their favorite athletes. School spirit at Brandon High School is a way of life.
School spirit is the pride, enthusiasm, and sense of belonging that students and staff share. School spirit isn't all about pep rallies and sports events. It's a feeling that encourages students to engage, support, and connect with one another.
I'm always excited about pep rallies. It's a great way to kick off the day, excitement about the game that's coming that day, and kind of get everybody on campus excited about things that are coming.
It's a unifying force that goes beyond differences and fosters a sense of community.
Yeah, absolutely. Everything feeds off of each other. So if you're out playing a game, or you're out on the line shooting a free throw, or it's come down to 4-1 and you've got to score this touchdown, or you're going home for the season, if your student section is lit, everyone will feed off of that. So it is super important. It's important to have good culture. It's important to have good support. Every person matters, and everybody's involvement matters.
From cheering on classmates during competitions to participating in volunteer activities that benefit the larger community, School Spirit creates an environment where every individual feels valued and connected.
Absolutely. It is so important for kids to be involved in after-school activities and extracurriculars. It's the best way for them to meet other people and have things, one, to put on your resume, but just to have a good time.
This pride and passion not only elevates self-confidence, but also promotes a healthy competition that encourages personal growth and achievement.